everybody, welcome to my channel. Well, the house decor is complete and now it's time to wrap the presents. This year I came up with the idea of doing something different. I thought that it would be great to place the presents for each person in a bag like this one, brown craft paper. I got them at Walmart, $1 each. You can buy like 20 for, I think it's $12 or something like that on eBay. But I had a bad experience with that seller. He's the only one who sells that amount for such a low price. So I ended up buying them from Walmart. And my idea is that first I would place one of these Dollar Tree signs on the front of the bag, so the person will receive the presents that are inside and a beautiful sign that they can use for their home decor. So it's like two presents in one. So this is really easy and quick, and I'm going to show you right now how I did it. What I'm going to do is to apply. You can use whatever glue you have on hand. I'm going to use, let me open this here. I'm going to use the Elmer's glue. I have to buy more. So then with that brush I'm going to spread the glue, taking good care of the borders. That's the most important part. If you don't have enough glue in the middle, it's okay, but you need them the signs to get really adhere in the borders to the bags. So that's what I'm doing here, trying to apply enough glue to the borders very, very quickly. Like so. Then it's just a matter of pressing the sign here, and move this. I'm not going to do this right now because I need to hurry up, but the most important thing is to let this dry with some heavy object on top for a few hours. I'll do that later. I just want to show you that after that you can leave it like this. You can add simply a ribbon, a bow, whatever you want, but I wanted to make it a little bit more fancy, so I'm going to add this garland. These are from the Dollar Tree also, the ones that come, I think it's 15 feet in a roll. So I'm going to use the glue gun and these wonderful silicone fingers. I will try to leave the link, I'll try to remember to leave the link in the description box, because they are awesome to protect your fingers when you are pressing the objects that have the glue gun. The hot glue. I always say glue gun instead of hot glue. I don't know why. So let's press this. of course, if I have more time, I'll do this more carefully, but I have to hurry up not to make this video extremely long. But I think it's working. Okay. Great. Then I'm going to add this bow I have already made. Here. And this poinsettia I think I'm going to cut this part. Okay. I like to apply a lot of hot glue just to make sure that the things that I'm trying to adhere are really adhered. So, okay, this is how it looks when it's finished. Then it's just a matter of placing the presents inside the bag. I have 2 presents here. I also wrap them because I think it's not nice to open the bag and find the present. Then it's just a matter of adhering these borders. I use usually mounting tape. I cut little pieces of mounting tape and I place them here to close the bag. I'm not going to do this right now because honestly I want to remove the presents and place something heavy here to really stick the sign to the bag. But you get the idea, as I always say. That's one of my phrases. I always say, you get the idea. And another word that I use a lot is awesome. But well, I think this is a nice way to show your friends or family that you care and you take time to wrap the presents for them, and also to give them an extra present, which is the sign. So I'm going to show you all the presents I made. They are under the Christmas tree. So this is it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and ring the bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. As usual, thank you so much for watching. I will post a new video on the 24th, so I'm not going to wish you Merry Christmas right now, and hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.